At Warner University, we believe building your schedule should be a collaborative experience. Academic advising is provided to each student throughout his or her academic career. Advising helps students evaluate, plan, and schedule to meet graduation requirements. Advisors provide guidance with regard to initial career placement and/or the pursuit of graduate studies. So let's begin. There are several steps to accomplish before preparing your class schedule. First, you will attend Department Chapel held each semester. This is an opportunity for you to meet with your fellow majors or fellow undeclared students and to receive important communication from the faculty. Next, you will meet with your academic advisor for your one-on-one appointment. This helps to ensure that you are selecting the needed courses for general education and for your major. You will receive a registration access code at your one-on-one appointment with your advisor. Be sure to have a balance of Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Tuesday, Thursday courses. This is also the time when you should be checking to make sure that you have no holds, which could possibly impede your registration. For example, a financial hold, an academic hold, or a student life chapel hold will need to be resolved before registering. Once you have prepared and have mapped out your courses, you will register during your designated selection window, which is based upon total credit hours earned at the conclusion of the last semester. First, log on to ROAR, which stands for Royals Online Access and Registration. Next, find the Registration tab and click Registration. Now, before you go any further, you'll see a screen appear requiring your logon information and selection of the term you're registering for. After selecting Login, a pop-up message will appear stating access code is required to enter registration. Key in the registration access code and rekey in your ROAR PIN to proceed. The registration access code should be provided at your one-on-one advising appointment. So now the fun begins. You'll begin by keying in Chapel by typing UNV-CHAPEL in the first box. Then key in the courses you mapped out with the help of your advisor. The 9-digit course number includes the course prefix, course number, and section number without any dashes or spaces. For example, Understanding the New Testament would be keyed in by typing BST 2020-01. After keying in a list of courses, click on Continue to preview your tentative schedule. Next, review your tentative schedule before submitting. Notice any error codes listed and click on the error code to see a legend. Errors can indicate full classes, missing prerequisites, repeat restrictions, to name a few. It would be a good idea to take a screenshot of your tentative schedule with error codes to send to your advisor if you need help with troubleshooting. For full classes, you may find another open section to key in. Courses with errors must be removed before submitting your schedule for registration. To remove a course, simply click on the Remove this course checkbox. Registration will not be completed if error codes are present. Students are permitted to repeat a course for grade forgiveness. Traditional students taking classes online are permitted to enroll for one online course per semester as recommended by an advisor. Adding an online course or repeating a course requires your advisor to submit an online form stack. Please reach out to your advisor to request their assistance. Then remove online courses or repeats before submitting your schedule. Alternatively, you can select Additional Search to continue your search. Course searching can take time. Narrowing search criteria will improve response time. As you look at the screen, you can see that there are a variety of ways to search, so be sure to find your favorite way to search. For example, you can search for classes that are only certain days or times. When you click the Start Search button, you will be taken to the list of courses. Find and select the courses you are interested in and proceed to click on Add to Schedule, then Submit for registration. After registering, you can return to the main menu of Roar. There you will see a number of options including Schedule. This is where you can view and print your completed schedule. Please also ensure your address and phone number are correct. Updates can be made through Roar. Thank you for taking the time to view this presentation. If you have further questions, contact the Registrar's Office at registrar@warner.edu.